With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is a Daniel cell is shown here, and it is told that a student has prepared it and the volume given is 100 centimeter cube. Then the molarity of the copper sulfate is 0.1. Then zinc sulfate is also 0.1. Then standard EMF, standard reduction potential of both, that is the zinc and cathode, are given here, and we are also provided here the value of log 2 and 2.303 RT by F. Okay, and the question given here is that if some quantity of copper chloride is added in this solution, that is on the cathodic cell here, then there was change in the EMF of the cell, that was the 9 MV, okay, 9 millivolt. Then we have to calculate here the mass of CuCl2 which has spilled the Daniell cell. So let's solve this given question here. For solving this question, let's consider the first case when the Daniell cell was prepared, and it is given that the E0, we can calculate the E0 of the cell, that is at the standard under the standard condition. It can be calculated by the formula, that is E0 of copper. We can calculate it by the E0 of cathode minus anode. Okay, that is the general formula, that is cathode minus E0 of anode, and these values or EMF of the each half electrode is put here at the standard reduction potential. Okay, so let's put the values of EMF of the each of the half cell here. That would be coming out to be, that is given 0.34 for the copper one, and then minus, and then minus for zinc. Okay, that is making us anode, that is 0.76. Okay, so that will on solving give, so E0 of the cell came out to be, on solving this, it will give us the value, that is 1.1 volt. Okay, so we got the EMF of the standard value of EMF of the cell here. Okay, now let's put it in the Nernst equation. What is the Nernst equation? Let's write it. E will be equal to, that is EMF of cell would be equal to E0 of cell minus 2.303 RT by NF, then log of, that is both the half cells here, that is for in the numerator we can put the reduced state, then in the denominator we can put the oxidized state. Let's put the values here in this formula of the Nernst equation. Then E0 of the cell we have calculated, that is 1.1, then minus 2.303 RT. R is the gas constant here, T is the temperature, F you know Faraday's constant, that will have the value, that is 96500 coulomb. Okay, as in the question its value is given, that is 2.303 RT by F value is given to be 0.06, and N value here we can calculate it to be 2. As we know, each half cell reaction, in this each half cell reaction can be written like this, that is at anode zinc is getting oxidized and getting converted into zinc 2 plus ion along with the liberation of 2 ions. Okay, and at the cathode we got the reaction which is occurring, that is copper 2 plus is getting reduced by accepting 2 electrons here and will be giving us copper here. Okay, so there is a net exchange of 2 electrons here, so we can put here N value to be, this is F value and this is N value which has to be put 2 here. So let's put the values here. Log of concentration of reduced state divided by oxidized state, so both are same here, that is 0.1, so it would get cancelled out. Okay, so EMF of cell comes out to be, that is 1.1 volt. As we know, these two terms got cancelled, then what will happen? The log has to be calculated of 1, and as we know the log 1 would be equal to 0 here. That's why we have put here, that is 1.1, because all this term would become 0 then. Okay, so EMF of the cell can be written as 1.1 volt here. Now this was the situation where till the CuCl2 was not added into the instrument. Okay, in the Daniell cell the copper chloride was not added. Then we can consider the case when the CuCl2 got added. Okay, now let's take out the EMF of cell again after the addition of CuCl2. So EMF of cell can again be calculated by using the same Nernst equation. Okay, then minus, we are putting just directly here, that is the 0.06 by 2 because it is the same cell. Okay, then log of the concentration value initially, that is of zinc compartment is not changed, that is the 0.1, and of the copper compartment it is changed, so we are putting it as the Cu2 plus. Okay, and we have to find out this concentration only. Now let's solve this question given here. Now put the values in this Nernst equation here. As we know, the E naught of cell was 1.1. And what is the EMF of cell here? Do you know? Yeah, you know. How? The EMF of cell initially, which we calculated, was 1.1 volt. Okay. And the question is telling us that after the addition of the CuCl2 to the cell by mistake, then there occurred the addition of 9 millivolt. Okay. So it would give us, that is 9 millivolt. So it would give us the total EMF of cell got changed to, that is new EMF became, that is 1.109 volt. Okay, so this is the new EMF of the cell which we got because there was addition of the 9 millivolt. So now put this value in the EMF of cell, that will give us 1.109 minus 0.06 divided by 2, then log of 0.1 divided by concentration of copper 2 plus ion. So let's calculate the value for copper 2 plus ion. So after calculation we can get the value, that is 0.2, that is in 0.2 molar. That is the concentration of copper 2 plus ions here. We can calculate the what is the change in the number of moles here. Change in number of moles can be calculated like this, that 0.2 into volume is remaining same here, as we just stated in the question that the volume is not going to change. So 100 centimeter cube is the volume given here, so divided by 1000, then minus initial concentration of copper 2 plus ion was 0.1, then initially also the volume was same than this. Okay, so this would give us the change in number of moles here in the two conditions, that is previously when the Daniell cell was working and after that when the EMF of cell changed to 1.109 after the addition of CuCl2. So it would on solving give us value, that is 0.01 moles, that is the change in number of moles of copper ions here. Okay, now so we can calculate the weight of copper chloride which is added by mistake like this, that is 0.01 moles are found here, and then the molecular weight of copper chloride comes out to be 135 gram. So it will give us, that is 1.35 gram of the copper chloride is added. Now let's see in the options given above. So you can see here that the first option is giving us the same value. So this is our correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubt and App today.